Hi, today I am going to discuss about the benefits of permanent makeup and the pivotal role it now plays in cosmetic dermatology. It consists of microblading or microstroking with dermal cosmetic pigments, and it is a form of permanent cosmetic tattooing. It uses special tiny needles and tools that implant pigment to the skin in order to give a better defined brow or color filling of the lip. This procedure is meant for people who suffer from hair loss in the eyebrows since birth, due to aging, or due to various causes like post-cancer treatments, alopecia conditions, hormonal problems, nutritional deficiencies, or post-trauma where a scar has appeared in eyebrow hair is affected. The procedure can also be done for people with dark lips genetically or due to excessive tea or coffee intake, excessive use of matte lipsticks, or excessive smoking. Always approach a skilled professional for this procedure, and safest is to take the advice of a dermatologist. There are certain common queries which anyone before undergoing these procedures should discuss. This includes deciding the shape of brow and color of the lip according to your age, gender, skin tone, personality, and even frequency of use of makeup in daily life. Your shape of lips, structure of the brow bone, and even the shape of your eyes are taken into consideration. In case of the brow, a shape is first drawn and with a skin pencil, and after locking the look, we can move further with the procedure. Preparation of area includes numbing with the topical anesthesia, and then individual strokes are used to follow the exact pattern of natural eyebrow hair, and this is followed by application of the pigment and leaving it for 10 minutes to let the absorption of the pigment. Most people require a touch-up after 2 weeks for a longer lasting result. It is a type of permanent tattooing, so it requires retouching after a couple of years. Post-procedure care includes avoidance of sun to avoid fading of the pigment. Do not apply soap for few days to avoid washing away of the pigment. Apply antibiotic cream to avoid local infections. Avoid taking hot or very warm food at least 2 hours after the permanent lip color. The procedure is avoided in patients who have a keloidal tendency, active herpes, or people on blood thinners. Though surgical procedures like hair transplant are available for thinning of the eyebrows, but the permanent makeup for eyebrow tattooing is a fairly short and lesser invasive procedure for patients where surgery cannot be performed or patients who are apprehensive. I hope the video was informative. Do like and share our videos to spread awareness.